to episode 12 of SCWPro at Home. This week we've got some great action from Wildwood in Iowa City. Our opening contest is a tag team match as the Super Hick Party, Jared Thumb and Chuck Brewster, go head-to-head with the Prodigal Sons, Eznite and Malik champion. Then we'll see highlights of a match between Boii and Augustus Draven. Then, in our main event, the walking horror film Mean Mason Beck goes head-to-head with Lonzo, the Chicano, Romero. But right now, let's send it to the ring. Alright, right now it is time for a tag team match.
Referee trying to get one in and one out here. No bell has him yet.
Oh! Head first into each other.
Oh! Big double clothesline.
The Super Hick Party on top.
Jared Thumb now. Battle Run is what's officially underway now. Oh, big move, that's brass hook. Raining down the right hands. Muscatine's greatest export, Jared Thumb.
I'm sitting right next to you.
Oh! Jared getting inside the head of Eznite a little bit there.
Eznite tagging out to his partner, Malik champion.
Super Hick Party taking on the former SCWPro Tag Team Champions. The Prodigal Sons back together.
Former tag team champions in their own right. The Super Hick Party cannot take this match lightly.
What is Jared Thumb doing? Little do-si-do and away we go. Oh!
We got a hoedown. Or a hootenanny. Hoedown.
Oh! Big tumbleweed splash in the corner. Ripcord.
Heaven's Gate! Heaven's Gate!
Oh, drops him down. What a maneuver.
Tandem offense there.
You know, Nightwagger, I never thought I'd be unhappy to see the Prodigal Sons back together. But here we are.
Eric Eznite claiming the ref had a slow count there. I know he's new, but it looked right to me.
Jared Thumb trying to cheer this crowd back in. Wait a minute,
Jared Thumb just losing his temper there. Watching him bend the rules.
This is not good for his partner. Jared Thumb needs to get out of the ring.
Come on, Steelers! Use your guys!
Jared Thumb, I know it's hard, but you gotta stay on the ring apron. And they're ready for the tag. Tag made to Malik champion.
Super hit party, the crowd favorites tonight. The Malik champion and Eric Eznite have been working over Chuck for the last few minutes.
Big Chuck in a bad way here. Of course, Chuck Brewster coming off what might be the biggest win of his career. He defeated Johnny Wisdom at anniversary. It was not a good night for the Prodigal Sons. Last time I saw them, they were both laying on the ground after getting kicked in the face by Connor Braxton.
Oh! Chest first into that turnbuckle.
Come on, Chuck! 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 Chuck!
Champion taking Big Chuck Brewster back to the corner, tag to Eric Eznite.
Jared Thumb fired up in the corner. Wants to tag in a bad way.
What are they thinking here? Oh! Chuck got the foot up. Chuck tried to go with the elbow. Chuck's got a long way to go. Can he make it to the corner?
Oh, look at great job by Eznite, keeping him out of the corner for the tag.
Oh, Eznite sends it to the floor. Thumb jumps right back in there.
Ill-advised by Eric Eznite to fire him up.
Thumb making the save, getting out. Actually, some good standing by Thumb was smart to get out of the ring there.
Eric Eznite with a bear hug.
Eznite going with a bear hug. Shades of Andre Hogan at WrestleMania 3. Jared Thumb firing this crowd up, getting behind Chuck Brewster.
Chuck Brewster needs the help because he's in a bad way right now.
Big Chuck holding it up, can he get out of the hold? Chuck Brewster reaching for the tag, can he get there? He's almost in the hold.
Eric Eznite powering through him.
Eznite just wrenched back with that hold and powered him all the way back to the corner.
Look at the power there.
Heart attack, clothesline. Heart attack, sleep blade. What a maneuver.
Cover.
1, 2. Oh!
Jared Thumb saving the match for the super hit mark.
The only reason this match is continuing is because Jared Thumb was able to make the save. Hate to say, but the Prodigal Sons showing why they were two-time tag team champions.
Elite
Some of the
champion.
most innovative maneuvers we've ever seen.
Champion taking the back here and locking in that shin lock.
Malik champion just wearing down Big Chuck Brewster, putting all of his weight into that chin lock.
Making him carry the weight.
Wait a minute. Oh, Big Chuck showing off the power. He's picking him up. Can he get out of it? Can he break this hold? Oh!
Malik hangs on though.
Malik maintains the control. Chuck's going all the way across the ring. Oh, he broke it. Oh, but he went the wrong direction.
I don't think he knows where he is.
Oh!
He takes the tag.
Faked him out. Big clothesline by Jared Thumb. Double action clothesline. Jared Thumb, a house of fire in there. Oh, what a neck breaker.
Thumb is all kind of fired up.
Kick to the midsection by Eric Eznite. Sending Jared Thumb in the corner. Oh!
Malik Champion saving it.
Malik Champion makes the save.
Jared
Oh, wait a minute. We got all 4 men inside the ring. This is breaking down here. Chuck sending Malik Champion to the floor. Oh!
Couldn't take the big man out.
Big clothesline.
Dumps him.
Dumps Big Chuck Brewster over the top rope. Wait a minute. Oh, Eznite gets dumped.
Thumb all alone in the ring.
Wait a minute. What is Jared Thumb thinking?
How many bush lights has he had?
I mean, Jared Thumb got here early. He's been drinking that bush lights all day long. He's full of that liquid courage. He's also from Muscatine. Oh! A flying thumb!
Go get him, pal.
Jared Thumb is fired up tonight. He is happy as a clown to be back in the Wildwood Smokehouse and Saloon.
Throws the legal man back in the ring, Eznite.
You got this, buddy. You got this. It's all you, Phil. It's all you, man. Malik!
Jared Thumb calling for Eznite. Oh! Malik Champion sending Chuck Brewster to the post. Thumb's thinking stunner here.
Eznite.
Eznite sticking on the ground. That might actually be a good strategy. Oh no!
Goes for stunner.
No! Oh! Knee! Eznite hit the
Other side! Other side! Come on!
What is going? Wait a minute! Oh no! Are we gonna see it again?
Internal blackout.
Eternal blackout!
Cover.
That's it! Hit the bell!
Your winners, Eznite and Malik Champion.
I told you I'd win!
On Saturday, January 6th, Video Games Etc. and the MLW Confusion Podcast present our first event of 2024 live from Wildwood in Iowa City, Hawkamania 35 Genesis. This is our last stop on the road to the Prestige Rumble. Tensions are high, so anything can happen. With so much hanging in the balance, you'd be a fool to miss all of the hard-hitting, high-flying action. It's Hawkamania 35 Genesis, presented by Video Games Etc. and the MLW Confusion Podcast, live from Wildwood in Iowa City on Saturday, January 6th. Reserve your table at www.wildwoodsaloon.com now. It's a 7 p.m. bell time and tickets are just $10, so you better be there.
This is the Shook Shane Hollister, and you're watching SCWPro at Home.
If you weren't at Hawkamania 32, you missed a battle. between two of the most unorthodox grapplers in SCWPro, as Augustus Draven challenged Cornboy for the SCWPro Iowa Championship. Head on over to our Patreon, patreon.com/SCWPro, or click on the link in the description to watch this great match in its entirety and many other great matches just like it for only $5 a month.
January 20th, at the Prestige Rumble, at the Bluegrass Community Center, I will win and punch my ticket to Epic for the SCWPro Championship.
Yeah! The Prestige Rumble is coming! January 20th! At the Bluegrass Community Center, yo! Mira, escucha, escucha, yo! I am going to win the Prestige Rumble, become the #1 contender, and go win the SCWPro Heavyweight Championship and mucho gold para mí. So ándale, arriba hacia la acera, yo voy a ganar.
I suffer from bizarre dreams and epic nightmares. And January 20th, at the Bluegrass Community Center, I, the Shadow Alpha, Augustus Draven, will win the Prestige Rumble and go on to challenge for the SCWPro title in only the epic fashion Augustus Draven can do.
On Saturday, January 20th, Video Games Etc. and the MLW Confusion Podcast present one of our biggest events of the year, the Prestige Rumble, live from the Bluegrass Community Center in Bluegrass, Iowa. 20 athletes will battle it out in an over-the-top rope battle royal to determine the new #1 contender to the SCWPro Championship. With so much on the line, the Prestige Rumble is always a night with shocking twists and surprising returns. It's the Prestige Rumble, presented by Video Games Etc. and the MLW Confusion Podcast, live from the Bluegrass Community Center in Bluegrass, Iowa on Saturday, January 20th. Bell time is 7 p.m. and tickets are only $10, so you better be there.
Wow, that was some great action. Don't forget there are many ways you can support SCWPro. You can subscribe to our Patreon, patreon.com/SCWPro. For only $5 a month, you can see all kinds of great action. You can like and subscribe and turn on the notifications on YouTube so you know about future episodes of At Home or whatever kind of great SCWPro content is coming to the YouTube. And you can also send us stars on Facebook. But right now it is time for our main event, the walking horror film Mean Mason Beck going head to head with Lonzo the Chicano Romero. Let's send it to the ring. And right now it's time for more SCWPro action. Introducing first, from Warzone, Albuquerque, New Mexico, Lonzo the Chicano Romero.
short straw tonight.
He wore a jersey. That will definitely protect him tonight.
No, it will not.
I don't really. What do you mean? Scared? You are scared like I'm backed up.
What are you doing? You knew the picture of confidence.
Let's see how long this lasts. He says he's not scared.
Any day now, let's go.
Let's see how this lasts for Mason.
Hey, Knight, you gotta watch. You got a second hand.
Vicious shot.
That is
Stuns Mason Beck.
that was a choice.
Mason is reeling. Look at his face.
I mean, this is a bold strategy, Knight. Let's see if it pays off for him.
Way worse than you, boy.
Hockey fight.
Oh, God. He can't see.
These helpful fans guiding Mason Beck's offense.
He can't see it
Oh
coming.
no.
Oh, this poor guy.
Mason Beck with a free tattoo removal.
Sorry, bud. Oh, Jesus.
Oh, he doesn't fight him.
I mean, okay. I admire the heart, but there's that old saying, Knight, more guts than brains. You got the out, kid. You should have taken it.
Oh, to the eye. Thumb to the
He
eye.
went to the eye. Oh, he goes down low. Chop blocks the knee.
I don't care how big you are, the eyes are just as vulnerable as anyone else's.
Oh my God, Lonzo Romero might pull the upset of the century.
How's it feel? How's it feel, Mason?
Referee has to break the hold there.
Choking him on that middle rope. I can't blame him.
If I were Lonzo Romero, I'd be throwing everything I have.
It is all about staying on top of him.
Call the Marines. Call the guard.
That would be a disqualification.
Oh!
Big boot
Whoa.
drives him down to the mat.
Oh boy.
Oh, Mason Beck is more angry.
Well, Lonzo, thanks for coming.
Has him up. Cover.
Good night.
Your winner, the walking horror film, Mason Beck.
Oh,